Alright, what up, y'all? It's AJ, you know what I'm saying? And, I don't know if I'm gonna post this video first. I'm posting it for sure. It's just a matter of not whether I post the one beforehand or not. Because I have another video, but I never edited it. And I honestly didn't feel like posting it. Um, but this video for sure getting posted, okay? It's, like I said, it's whether or not the other video I had made like weeks ago, no, like a week ago, is gonna get posted or not. But anyway, um, if this is my first video on day trading, my name is AJ, and I'm day trading. And this is just me practicing, me journaling my trades, so I can be great at day trading. So first things first, I took this. This is paper trading, by the way. Meaning, paper trading means you're not using real money. It's a demo account. Okay. So I took this trade because I see two fair value gaps, and two fair value gaps were right here, and a tiny one right where my take profit is, right at this low, which is actually, yeah, like I said, where I made my take profit. I honestly feel like it's not that I was necessarily playing safe. Like, it's not that I had that feeling where I gotta play this safe because it's paper trading, but I feel like I just feel stronger with, like, I'm just more confident with this trade right here. Okay, so I put my take profit on this short right here, and honestly, I don't even feel like this is a good risk because I'm gonna lose 25 if, which I don't think it will hit, to be honest. It will make me lose $25 if this market goes hit this high right here. And the reason I made this trade is because we see liquidity get swept here, and that started a break of structure. And this is actually an order block now, I believe. This would be an order block. And we have a bunch of liquidity to get swept. For instance, right here, liquidity needs to get swept. Liquidity. And actually, this is on 4 hours, so there's a chance that some of these did get hit. So let me calm down. And what else did I say? Bears break of structure, liquidity sweep, and filling in earlier fair value gap. So I believe the fair value gap. Oh, what did I just do? Don't do that. I think there was believe there was an imbalance right here, very small imbalance. Yeah, if you guys can see it, a gap between this candle and this candle. Okay, that was a very small imbalance. Oh, it didn't hit. Okay. Well, that's one thing I just got wrong. I'm actually glad I just found that out. That wasn't right. Well, actually, it's not that it's wrong. There's a chance that market still could feel that. It was close, as you can see, but it didn't. But at least we have two fair value gaps, and then I forgot to mark this. This is an order block in itself. So my bias is basically, market will drop down. Liquid, man, I'm gonna have trouble saying this, man. What am I trying to say? Market will just want to fill these fair value gaps, fill this order block. I got this order block from the daily time frame. Honestly, I need more practice with order blocks. I'm not gonna deny that because I'm not sure if the box should be this big. Okay. And actually, since I'm on 4 hour, it might be easier than So actually, this order block would be maybe right here. Yeah, you know what? That might be better. So with this order block down here, I think price is gonna want to fill this order block down here, and also fill these two fair value gaps. Okay, and that's pretty much it on this trade. I just followed those three confluences. I didn't, to be honest, I don't. I understand equilibrium is just like when to use it. I think I just need more practice on when to use it, and I'm on day 35 of TJR's boot camp, I think. So basically I'm getting along pretty well. And honestly, I should have made a trade. Not should have. I should have looked for a trade on shorter time frames. And now that I'm reflecting back on it, I should have looked at the hourly and 15-minute market. I made this trade just looking at the 4-hour and 1 day 1 day time frame. So I'll be sure to put that in my notes and make sure I don't do that again. Like I said, this is for practice, so that's one thing I can improve on. One thing I did improve on, based on my last trade, based on the video that I may or may not post, I would have my stop loss or take profit just any old random where. You know what I'm saying? I would say basically it was me saying, okay, yeah, I know where the market's gonna go. This market's gonna drop. And my prediction was right. Market did drop. But my stop loss was placed incorrectly and I actually got stopped out. So I have this set loss at a liquidity sweep where the highs are. And basically my last trade on the video I didn't post, I maybe have my stop loss like right here without I didn't have a reason for placing my stop loss there. There was no reason. Now I have a reason because that's where a high is. So that's one thing I definitely improved on. I'm glad I learned from my mistake, and I hope this plays out well. I will record when this plays out. I don't know how long that will be. It may take a week, and I actually might start editing the last video I said I was gonna put out. Okay, so I hope everybody has a good day, man. I'll catch you when this trade happens, I guess. Yeah.
I'm a funny guy.
Alright, what's up everyone? It's AJ, and this is my Daytrading Journal 1. And basically, the first part that you guys saw, I entered a trade right about here. And my bias was on JPY is that the market will drop to fill in the 4-hour fair value gap and mitigate to the order block. And earlier liquidity was swept, even though it actually turned out, and I also said it was a break of structure. It turns out there was not a break of structure, but there was a break of structure on the 1 hour. But I didn't even look at the 1 hour, so I was technically wrong. So I entered the trade, took a short on the 4-hour market, and as you can see, I lost. Okay.
Where you entered the short?
That's my friend in the back. If you didn't hear it, I entered. Where did I enter? I need to mark it down somewhere. I mean, I kind of did. I'm not on the floor. I entered right about here, and I have my stop loss at the top of this liquidity. And as you can see, market just pushed past it, and my prediction was that market would drop down for this order block, and it didn't. So I lost, and now that market swept this liquidity, now I'm 90% sure market will drop down, but I'm not going to take a trade on it because that was my one trade for the day. So basically I lost. What can I improve on? These two I wrote down before, right after I took the trade, because I noticed them, and I need to look at all time frames. I noticed that when I entered this trade, I didn't even look at all the time frames. I just looked at 4-hour, the daily, and the weekly. I need to look at the 1 hour, the 30-minute, the 15-minute, the 1 minute. because I don't know. I just didn't look at them. I don't know why. And then I said for shorts, trade on shorter time frames. Yeah, so basically I traded I made a trade on the 4-hour time frame, which made my trade until the 20th. I took this trade on the 17th. That's not day trading, okay? A day trading trade is not 3 days long usually. So I need to trade on a 15-minute time frame or something. And it's 7 p.m. I do my trading market analysis at 8 a.m. and it's 7 p.m. on January 20th, 3 days after I took that trade. Okay, so what do I need to do better? I don't know. I don't really know how I lost. Honestly, what did market do? It didn't. It didn't break structure on the 4 hour. Um, I mean that's wait. Uh, it did break structure. Well, actually, no, it didn't break structure. I don't know, but I will be making more notes on this. I don't exactly know how I lost this trade yet. I'm not saying what I did was right because I clearly lost, but I don't see it. All right, catch y'all. I did that. Catch y'all on the next video, man.